What happens if something gets damaged during the clean?
We understand how important your newly renovated home is, and we treat it with the highest level of care and respect. That said, accidents are extremely rare, but we're fully prepared if anything ever goes wrong. Here's how we protect you. We are a fully insured business with public liability and property damage coverage. Our cleaners are professionally trained to handle delicate finishes, new appliances, and freshly painted surfaces. We use non-abrasive tools and surface-safe products. If something is damaged, we take full responsibility and will replace, repair, or reimburse as needed. Most importantly, we're transparent. If we notice something isn't right, whether caused by us or left by trades, we'll inform you immediately and help resolve it. You deserve to feel safe, respected, and looked after, and we make that a top priority in every job.